Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome typography effect on Illustrator. So I'm just going to type in text because I don't know what else to type if I'm completely being honest right now. Oh gosh, the lag. Can I not go down? And I'm just going to adjust the size of this. Oh, that's a little bit too big. Okay. Sorry, I haven't used Illustrator in a long time for some reason. Okay, I just need to make it so that it's in the middle, like that. Okay, then I'm going to go to effect here. Then let's go to the rotate. And I'm going to select the isometric top. Select OK. I'll just make it a little bit bigger there. Copy, shift, shift control V. So it's in the same place, and I'm going to color it white. Go to object and go to envelope distort, make with mesh, and I'll do 3. Press OK, and you're going to select this one, and you're just going to kind of adjust it like that. You can adjust it however you like. Make it curvy, make it wavy. It is up to you. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.